Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some of the biggest myths about healthy eating. There's a lot of conflicting information out there about what's healthy and what's not. It's easy to get caught up in the latest fads, but it's important to separate fact from fiction. So if you're ready to ditch the diet myths, keep watching. Let's talk carbs. Carbs have gotten a bad rap lately, but it's time to stop the carb phobia. Not all carbs are created equal. Simple carbs like refined sugars, those aren't doing you any favors. But complex carbs, they're your friends. Think whole grains, fruits, and vegetables packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Don't fear the carb. The low-fat craze had us all ditching healthy fats like they were the enemy, and that was a big mistake. Our bodies need healthy fats to function properly. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, are crucial for hormone production, cell growth, and nutrient absorption. So, next time you're making a salad, don't be afraid to add some avocado or sprinkle on some nuts. Your body will thank you. You know that old saying, eat like a king in the morning, a prince at lunch, and a pauper at dinner? Turns out, that's not exactly how metabolism works. While eating frequently might work for some people, there's no magic number of meals that will magically boost your metabolism. The key is to find an eating pattern that works for you, keeps you satisfied, and provides your body with consistent energy throughout the day. Chapter 4. Not all calories are created equal. Have you ever noticed how you can eat a huge bag of chips and still feel hungry, but a small balanced meal can keep you satisfied for hours? That's because not all calories are created equal. 100 calories of chips and broccoli impact your body in vastly different ways. Focus on nutrient-dense foods that provide vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. These foods keep you fuller longer and provide essential nutrients. Chapter 5. Your body's built-in detox system. Detox teas and juice cleanses are popular, but your body already has an incredible detox system. Your liver, kidneys, and digestive system filter out toxins and waste. Support your body's detox by eating well, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep. Chapter 6. Organic versus non-organic. The great debate, organic food is often touted as healthier, but the truth is nuanced. Organic farming reduces pesticide exposure, but nutritional differences are minimal. Choose organic for high pesticide foods if possible. If organic is out of reach, don't stress. Focus on a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Gluten-free diets have exploded in popularity, but it's important to remember that gluten isn't inherently bad for everyone. For individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, avoiding gluten is crucial for managing their symptoms. However, for the vast majority of people, gluten isn't a problem. Unless you have a diagnosed medical reason to avoid gluten, there's no need to eliminate it from your diet. Chapter 8. Supplements can't replace real food. In a perfect world, we'd get all nutrients from whole foods. But life happens. Supplements can fill in the gaps. Remember, they're not a replacement for a balanced diet. Focus on whole foods and use supplements for specific needs. Chapter 9. Late night eating and weight gain, the truth. We've all heard the saying, don't eat after 8 p.m. or it will go straight to your hips. But I'm here to tell you that's just not true. Weight gain is a complex process that involves a variety of factors, including your overall calorie intake, activity level, and genetics. It's not about when you eat, but what and how much you eat that matters most. Chapter 10. 8 glasses a day, hydrate your way. The 8 glasses of water a day rule is so ingrained in our minds, but the truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to how much water you need. Factors like your activity level, climate, and overall health can all influence your individual fluid needs. Listen to your body, drink when you're thirsty, and pay attention to your body's signals. You can also stay hydrated by consuming fruits and vegetables that have high water content. Outro: Eat well, live well. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time. Remember, building healthy eating habits is a journey, not a destination. Focus on making sustainable changes that nourish your body and make you feel your best. Stay tuned for more videos on healthy living, and until next time, take care.